I'm here with Mike again at this pop-up event. And what is the name of your business, Mike?
We are Marble BBQ.
All right, let me get a picture of your little stand-up. Gosh, your marquee. Goodness, I can't even talk.
It's all right.
It's hot out here.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mike, tell me about your business and what do you do? What type of barbecue? Because everybody, is it dry rub? Is it slow rub? Is it a mixture? Pulled pork? This, that? You tell me about you.
I got you. So, Marble BBQ is located in Longwood, Florida. We've been in business for about 3 years now.
Okay.
We mainly do catering and pop-up events like we are here today.
In front of Adjectives.
Yes, ma'am.
In Altamont Springs.
We also do every Saturday pop-up in Sanford at the Sanford Marketplace at Magnolia.
Okay.
That is from 9 to 1.
And tell me about which days. Every day, I know there's
That's
7
on
days.
Saturdays.
Okay.
Every Saturday we're there except for the last Saturday of each month. We take off just to do inventory and stuff like that. So.
Okay.
So as far as our food goes, I would say our food is just a traditional barbecue. No sauce. We rub everything. Goes on the smoker. No sauce is added on the smoker either. I would say that our most popular items are pork, and we have a fabulous smoked mac and cheese. Very few mac and cheeses in the area that are anything like this. But our specialties are pork, chicken, beef. We do a plethora of sides ranging from the smoked mac and cheese to baked beans, green beans, coleslaw, potato salad, and everything in between.
Do you have some food already prepared so the viewers can see the good home deliciousness?
Absolutely.
All right, I want to hand it to you so they can peruse and get their mouth sizzling and watering.
All righty, here we go. So here we have the smoked mac and cheese. It's made with sharp cheddar, Gruyere, and Harlsberg, and then it goes on the smoker after we put it all together, give it that real nice deep flavor. Then we have baked beans here. They're made with some brown sugar, honey, syrup, good mustard, just a very delicious hearty bean. Then also we have the two proteins that we're offering for today is we have our pulled pork. So these are bone-in shoulders. We just rub them down with a little bit of salt, pepper, honey, granulated honey, and some other things. And then back here we have our chicken thighs. And again, they're just rubbed down, no sauce added. Today we're also offering banana pudding. This is a home-style, homemade banana pudding. We even whip the whipped cream ourselves. So this is very delicious, very savory, very sweet.
Mike, you're making my heart beat, my chops water.
Yes, ma'am. So as far as all the proteins, we serve them on sandwiches, and we also serve them as tacos, and we also serve them as sliders.
And are you vegan and vegetarian friendly?
We can be, yes, ma'am. We are traditional barbecue, so we don't always have that. I'll be transparent about it, but
if you have to cater,
we absolutely cater.
Well,
yes, ma'am.
cater to those customers at an event for those that are vegan and
Yes,
vegetarian.
Ma'am. We've had a lot of catering events already where I've done specialties. I did a catering event for a wedding where the customer could not have any garlic, so we made all the food with no garlic. I've had other customers that are lactose intolerant or they're gluten-free. We take care of all that stuff.
Well, give them your website.
So we do not have a website, but we are on Facebook and we are on Instagram at Marble, MRBL Barbecue. I'm also on Google Reviews at MRBL Barbecue. Please feel free to jump over there, check out what people are commenting about us. My phone number is 407-223-2887. Best way to get a hold of me is by text, and then I will call you back.
Well, Mike, thank you very much for giving us an overview of your business, yourself, and the delicious mouth-watering food that you offer the community. Thanks again, and you have a good day and enjoy the event.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it so much.
All right, bye-bye.